As you can see, we're doing another car video. But instead it's outside and we're riding skateboards. And our dog, my dog actually. Should I zoom in? Yeah.
This is the dogs we're sending.
Yeah. So we're trying to chase her, but he's going to the bathroom. And it looks so weird. But she's fixing it. So let's go see what's wrong with it. What's wrong? Oh. No, not like that. Not like that either. Oh, yeah, like that, but like this. We're trying to fix it. As you can see, our backyard's so messy because someone destroyed it. It's not you, it's her. Come on. Say hi to the vlog. We might just end it soon enough because it's trying to get dark.
Fix this.
I have to fix this. She's a bad girl. There you go. Did you stop it?
No.
Oh, it wasn't counting at first. The dogs were sending me, see? I'm gonna go over here. Oh! I almost ran over it, as you can see.
Hey, Dad, put that down.
Oh, God. Hey! Come here. Come here. Come here. Put it down. Bad girl. Come on, wake it. Oh, my God. Hey, you better not. Gonna go get that thing right here. Put it in there so she won't get it. That's it. We can tie her up. Okay. Let me go get my skateboard. How is it going, miss?
Well, I'm trying to put it in the floor.
Don't! Wait, are you faking it? What the heck? No, don't! That's a lot of money. I'm not gonna waste my money for you. We might just end it right now, but nah. Because we're having too much fun. She just moved over here. She's right there.
Let's look it.
What happened? Oh, it's pretty sick. Let me zoom in so you can see. See? I don't know where it went now. What are you trying to get? Oh gosh! Zoomed in way too far. Your face. We don't know where it went, first of all. Oh, there it is. There you go. Let me go. I got stuck. Oh, there you go. Going over there now. Follow it. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'm running away from this thing. Let's go get it. Right there, oh gosh. Oh gosh. As you can see. As you can see this. I don't know. We might not, we might. But we're having too much fun, so we're really not going to end it. Oh, I just ran into it. Worst enemy, Shadow. Worst enemy. No, I should name this dog. Dog versus car. Over there. Tomorrow we're gonna do Cartoon 36. Alright, let me fix it. Let me fix it. We got. Hold on. Let me fix it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Going over there. You can see I'm stuck. Shadow. She came back out. She's right there. As you can. Hey, no. No. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's too zoomed in. Let it focus. Oh gosh.